Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color of first page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change color of first pages. Go to the first page, then select the frame text tool and draw this frame text tool over the pages. Then select the move tool and go to the layer section and drag this frame text layer down on this layer section. Then lock this layer and click outside of the page. Then select the move tool and we can see we change the color of first pages very easily. Go to the another page and check the all pages color. Now we can see we change the color only on first page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.